Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make eggs look fancy. We'll explore simple yet effective techniques to transform your everyday eggs into stunning culinary creations. You'll learn to craft visually appealing and delicious egg presentations that impress. Get ready to discover easy methods for achieving restaurant-quality egg dishes right in your own kitchen, using just a few ingredients and a little know-how. It's easier than you think to elevate your breakfast or brunch. Achieving perfectly poached eggs is simpler than it seems. Start with very fresh eggs as they hold their shape best. Bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer, then add about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set quickly. Carefully crack each egg into a small bowl, then gently slide it into the simmering water. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes for a runny yolk, then remove with a slotted spoon. For incredibly creamy and fancy scrambled eggs, the secret is low heat and constant stirring. Whisk 3 large eggs with 1 tablespoon of milk or cream until just combined. Melt 1 teaspoon of butter in a non-stick pan over low heat. Pour in the egg mixture and stir continuously with a rubber spatula, scraping the bottom and sides of the pan. Cook until soft curds form, about 3 to 5 minutes. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley. To make sunny-side-up eggs look sophisticated, cook them gently. Heat 1 teaspoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Crack an egg into the pan. As the white sets, spoon the hot butter over the yolk repeatedly for about 2 minutes. This creates a glossy, slightly cooked yolk surface without flipping. Serve immediately on a piece of toasted sourdough, garnished with a pinch of flaky sea salt and freshly ground black pepper for an elegant touch.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.